kind of soft, that kind of silly. But when I'm indoors, I open my there's a shark in the water. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angel here, aka Lolo. Today we're going to be doing an eye tutorial. Since it's March, we're going to be doing more of the green tones today. I'm going to be using this Mayo makeup pigments. I'm going to use the green ones. March. It's time for like spring break. It's going on to spring breaks and everything. So it's time for the colors to start coming out. Time for like the light colors and everything. So I want to do something very light on my eyes today. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get right into the video.
Let's get right into the video.
Since I'm working with the lighter shades, I am gonna be using this white color in the middle. I'm gonna use that as my eyeshadow primer today. I do like to do my eye makeup before I do my face, but today I already did my face, so I'll just do the eyes. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this set, and I'm not gonna put no powder on it because I find it better to use just the cream, and it's more, the colors come out way more pigmented when you don't set it with powder. I am gonna be using this Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna be using this Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette. And we're going to be using this trusty Mayo makeup pigments. The first pencil I'm going to be using is the Morphe M504 brush, this yellow shade. This orange shade right here, the Morphe M513 brush. I'm going back into that yellow shade. I'm gonna go back into this white concealer, and now I'm gonna cut the crease. Going back into that orange shade, I'm gonna bring it to the crease some more, just to make this line more blended out. Now I'm going to darken up the orange with this darker orange at the top. Now I'm going into this Chocolate Bar Semi-Sweet palette. I'm going to be using this brown called Truffled to darken up the outer V. BH Cosmetic brush and the number 9. It's a flat going into this dark green one. Going back into this orange shade. So now I'm going to go and put on some eyeliner and lashes, and I'll get right back to you. Now that I have finished the eyelashes and eyeliner, my Zoeva Luxe pencil brush. Let me put in this light yellow highlighter color on my waterline. And now I'm going into this shade right here. So it's like a green with some shimmer in it, and I'm putting it on the inner tear. Now let me go put some lipstick on, and then we'll be ready. So what I wanted to do, I put like some liner on my lips, and I want to kind of do a glitter. I got this green glitter from Michaels, and this NYX multi-action base. Okay guys, so that's all for the video. This is what it looks like, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, it's different from what I normally do. Over the top green. I just wanted to do something stupid for the lips. You don't have to put this green on you, but I think like this is like a type of look that you can have when you go to like a photo shoot or something.
because it kind of like glows in the dark with the under the eye. And this is the top part of it. Overall, I like the eye look. I think I will wear the lips out. I did this green look today because it is St. Patrick's month, and I mean spring break as well, so you're bringing out these bright lively colors, and I brought some out today. If you guys like this look, please like the video, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.